There's Jalen. Hi, Ian. What you doing? Big block. She's laying there naked. Because she's usually almost always naked. She ruins so many clothes anyways. Why not? Got baby hiccups right now. And it sounds very cute. Yên, giống đây nè. Yên. Yên. Đây nè. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah. I feel your pain. Yeah. Look at that full head of hair. Hi, Ian. Good girl. Look at the camera. She is now, how many days old, babe? 18, 17, 18 days?
19, 18 days.
18 days old. Look at her big block. It's her volleyball block. Her signature. Look at her arm span. She can like hug more than mommy's thighs. Her hands go halfway around my waist. And some. If she could hug. Bless you. Bless you. Number 3. And then number 4? Not this time? Hi. She's looking right at the camera. Look at that. Focusing, huh? Focusing already, huh? Good girl. Woohoo! Happy baby. Aren't ya? Yes, you are. You're a happy baby. Happy naked baby. What are you laughing at?
You?
I think you look like Mama when she was a bubba. Come on, Ian, turn your head. Good girl. Oh my goodness. On command, huh? You give Mom a high five? High five. Ian. High five. Good girl. And big block. There's your big block. Yeah. That
That dad has blood clots
adorable.
in his lungs. Because he got pneumonia twice this month.
No way. Pneumonia twice in a month. Alright, I think this video is like probably one of the longest ones we've had, huh? Woo! Arm span! Look at that! Big arm span! And then she's doing her, is it Tai Chi? Alright, Aang, say bye. Bye, good girl. That's her wave. Bye.